Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will be providing you some videos and photo samples taken from mobile macro lens. The mobile macro lens is from prosumer mini Q indo macro lens. This lens can be used with mobile phones and this is sold by Apexel. Friends, request you to please watch till the end if you are in the mindset of buying this lens, as I have taken the video and photo in different conditions which will help you in clearing your doubts. And also, if you want to see the unboxing and the review of this lens, I have attached the link in my description. So now let us see the video samples. Now let us try to capture that flower. So this is with the lens. Now let us capture that yellow rose. So this is with the lens. If you find a black border, you can remove it easily by zooming in from your mobile. Now let us try to capture that bug. So this is with the lens. Let us try to capture that insect. So this is with the lens. Now let us try to capture that fly. So this is with the lens. Now let us try to capture that fly. So this is with the lens. Now let us also see how this rusty metal looks from our micro lens. So this is with the lens. Let us capture this red rose. So this is with the lens. So this is with the lens. Let us try to capture this insects. So this is with the lens. Now let us capture this violet flowers. So this is with the lens. Let us try to see how this pink rose will look from our micro lens. So this is with the lens. Let us try to capture this different looking flower. So this is with the lens. Let us try to capture this yellow flower. So this is with the lens. Let us try to see how sharp it will capture these edges. So this is with the lens. So friends, these are some photo samples which I have taken from this macro lens. Friends, I have used many macro lenses. I have reviewed and also provided video samples of them. But honestly speaking, this is the first lens which has an excellent output. While using this lens for many days, I did not find any chromatic aberration, even when I used it direct under the sunlight. That shows that it's crafted excellently. Friends, if you have liked this video, kindly do share with your friends and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.